Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be making a wooden perfume holder.
We'll start with some scrap wood and our perfume bottles for measuring. First thing we do is draw our guidelines. Now we can drill the holes.
Are you kidding me? Okay, we've lost one perfume bottle. I'm gonna drill this hole more so that doesn't happen again. Well, I did just cut this, but I didn't hit the record button, so we're gonna be missing that.
Sanding down the surface so it's nice and smooth. Then I drew up a design to carve into the side and printed it out. I glued the design face down onto the wood, then rubbed away the excess paper with a bit of water after it dried.
That looks pretty good.
Next, I used some carving burrs to carve out the design.
So I finally have it to this point. All the little carvings are done. I'm going to sand off the residual paper and any bits of wood that are left over.
I filled in the carvings with a mix of watered down wood glue and mica pigment. Alright, so now that we have the colors done, I'm going to go ahead and let this dry for a little bit, and then I'll sand off the excess. Look at that. Very cool. So the absolute last thing for me to do is put a finish on this. I just did a test piece over here to see if it would wipe out mica powder, and it didn't. So I'm going to go ahead and add the finish to this piece. So check it out. Here it is all done. The carving part was a little rough because I was only using one burr, but I'm really happy with how this turned out.
I was also worried that the pigment was going to get wiped out when I added the wood finish, but they all stayed put pretty well. Overall, I'm just really pleased with how this turned out. The design actually shows, and you can see all the little leaves and flowers and stuff. And the mica powder really added a nice, like, shiny pop to it. We did have one casualty. Rest in peace, Evening Star. I never wore you and you smelled like an old lady. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!